Most people think that if they buy a course from some online influencer and follow their secret ninja strategy, as soon as they implement it, they are going to be super rich, just like that person. But actually, that's setting you up for failure and frustration. It's not your fault. Those online influencers do such a great job selling their products and making you feel like if you buy it and follow their strategy, that you also have a six-figure business too. If that were true, every single person who bought an online course would have a six-figure business, but we really know that's not the case. So if you're buying one more course, you feel like it's gonna keep you moving in the right direction, but actually it keeps you on this endless loop searching for that one perfect strategy that's gonna make all the difference, that's gonna finally make your business profitable. But meanwhile, you don't even know if you're on the right path. In other words, that belief is gonna keep you stuck and broke. Do you ever notice that when you're trying to execute one of those strategies, it's like you're on this endless loop of new ideas, you're trying to stick with that one strategy, and then you're back to the beginning again, but you're never actually moving forward. This pattern of thought will keep you perpetually lost. Aren't you ready to stop the internal dialogue and the overthinking and trust your gut finally? Using your intuition will actually get you out of thinking and into feeling. You know that all successful businesses are created by highly energized visionaries, not followers. I mean, think about it. What successful entrepreneur says, my key to success is following what everyone else has done and overthinking? No, you never heard anybody ever saying that. The most highly paid business owners talk about following their intuition and trusting their gut. So your intuition is your built-in system that can give you more insight to every part of your business strategy, saving you from massive frustration, worry, and self-doubt. When you begin taking the steps that feel right, you'll always know you're on the right path. Learning to trust your intuition leaves you freedom. Freedom from fears that have been holding you back, things that have been stopping you from having the breakthrough that you actually deeply desire. It's time to stop mimicking what everybody else is doing and start doing the things that feel absolutely right and in alignment with you. What's right in your heart, what's right within. You have all the tools you need, you just need to learn how to use them. Now that you know the difference, it means you can make a choice. One, you can continue to follow what somebody else is doing and have nothing to show for all your hard work. Or starting today, you can stop overthinking and start trusting what feels right to you. Now, just because it's simple doesn't mean it's easy, but there's a huge payoff in the end.